Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Veo3 Google News AI video generation, and the best part is you can try it for free. So what exactly is Veo3? Veo3 is Google's latest AI model designed for creating high quality video directly from prompts. You can start from just text or transform images into video. It's powerful, fast, and super easy to use. Now, how do you use Veo3 for free? It's simple. You can unlock it with a trial subscription to Google AI. If you don't know how to activate the trial yet, don't worry. I have placed a link in the description below with a full step-by-step guide. So just go check it out after this video. And then there are actually two ways to access Veo3. First, you can access it through Gemini AI. Just open your Gemini in your browser and then just tap on Tools icon, this one. Just tap on it and then just choose Create Videos with Veo. And then just type your prompt in here and after that just tap Generate. And next, you can access Google Veo3 to Google Flow. Just open Google Flow like this and then just tap on Create with Flow. Like this and then just tap New Projects. And here you can choose a method that you want to use. In here, just tap on it. In here you can use text to video, frames to video, or ingredients to video. And then next, you can adjust your model settings by tap on these options. Just tap on it. You can choose your model: VO3 flash, VO2 flash, VO3 quality, VO2 quality. Just choose that you want. And next, you can also select how many outputs that you want in here. Just tap on it. You can set it from 1 until 4 output. And when you're done with the settings, just hit on Generate. And as a quick demo, I'm going to generate a video from just a text prompt or text to video, and then I will type a prompt like this. Like this, and then just hit Generate. And here's the result. Like this. Amazing, right? Okay, that's how easy it is to use Veo3 for Gemini or Flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.